Hello everyone, welcome to the Boss Job channel. Previously, we introduced a special torch press earth from Boss Job for automotive bodywork repair. It can be used together with your bodywork repair machine, the dent puller, to ensure reliable welding and grounding on iron car bodies. When welding, whether the spot welding torch is equipped with a clamp, a slide hammer, or various welding heads, it can be easily connected, welded, and secured. The grounding after welding is also very reliable, and it's also very easy to unscrew. After a series of studies, we've recently made some updates and improvements. Now, the torch press earth can also be equipped with a powerful magnet, allowing you to attach it directly to an iron vehicle body. The elasticity of the stainless steel sheet is used to create the contact pressure for the grounding wire. Of course, for the best conductive effect, you can still use a spot welding torch for spot welding and securing. For an aluminum car body, you can also use it together with an iron liner. Place the iron liner behind the aluminum car body, and a strong magnet can then attach to the aluminum car body. If a large amount of iron powder and filings accumulates on the magnet after long-term use, the rubber sleeve attached to the strong magnet can help you remove and collect iron powder and filings. If you think that's all there is to this product, just wait. In the latest design, we've changed the material and dimensions. This makes it easier for the grounding wire clamp to grip the torch press earth body. This allows you to hold more grounding wires and clamp them onto the fixed torch press earth for use with other welding machines. Or you can also just take out your MIG welder, remove the nozzle from the welding torch, loosen the pressure wheel on the wire feeder, and use the MIG welding torch directly together with the torch press earth for welding. From now on, you no longer have to worry about where to attach the grounding wire. There's no need to polish the corners of the vehicle body for the grounding wire clamp anymore. You can easily connect the grounding wire at the spot closest to the weld with minimal grinding required. We hope our small bit of inspiration brings more convenience to the world. Follow Boss Job for endless innovation and R&D